friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pombon from Pokemon Wind and Waves, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started right in the center of our page for the nose, and we're just going to draw in a small arch line. We'll come underneath, closing that off with another arch line, curving that further down in the center, tucking that back up on the right. Let's step down for the mouth in the middle of this, curving this around and through on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's come up, stepping in from this line. We're going to arch this all the way around, tucking this back down on the side. Let's draw on the teeth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in the letter V. And then we'll come across doing the exact same thing on the right. Now on either side, to close off the mouth, we're just going to curve this line in. And we're just going to leave a gap right in the center. Let's close that off on the top now with a curved line from left to right. Now coming underneath, we're going to arch this line around, tucking that back up on the side. Now let's move over on the left-hand side for the eye. We're going to draw in an oval. We'll come across on the right, lining that up at the same height, replicating that. Now coming in towards the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's color in the eyes black. Let's come down. We're going to draw in a small tuft of hair here. So stepping over on the left, not past our eye, just sort of stepping in slightly, coming down. We're going to curve this line out, tucking that back up. Again, we're going to curve this further out to the side, tucking that back in. Let's step over, curving this across, curving that up towards the top. And then again, we're just going to curve this out, tucking that back in. We're going to draw in a curved line underneath. So we're just going to arch this in as we come all the way through, tucking that through towards the top. Let's come up now. We're going to draw in another tuft of hair in the middle. So stepping up from the center, stepping across, we're going to curve this line out. And now from that point, we're just going to tuck this back around and in. Now moving up above that, we're going to curve that out again. And then one more time from that point, just curving this around, tucking that back in. Now let's step out for the ears. So on either side, we're just going to curve this across. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this back around and through to the bottom. Let's step in, arching this line down. Let's close off the hair right above. So stepping behind this ear, we're going to curve this line up, tucking this in, and then arching that back out towards the center. Now from that point, we're just going to curve this around and down towards that right ear. And then stepping in behind again, just curving this around and through on the side. Let's come up. We're going to curve this line down and up. And then again, from that point, just curving this over and through on the right. Let's come across now and draw on the rest of the hair as we come out. So we're going to curve this up. And then from that point, just arching this around and in. For the next one, we're going to make this shorter. So we're just going to curve this out, tucking that back in again. Let's move down underneath now, extending that out further. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back around and in. Let's come down again, curving this out to the side. And then from that point, just curving this over and across towards the middle. One more time, again, making this nice and small, curving this out. And then from that point, we're gonna curve this in. We're just gonna leave a gap. We're not gonna touch that center line there. Now let's come down directly underneath, drawing in a curved line. Let's draw in the leg. So stepping in, we're gonna draw in a straight line coming down on either side. We're gonna round out the paw here. So we're gonna curve this out, tucking that in. And then now from here, we're just gonna arch this up towards that line on the outside. We'll do the exact same thing stepping in behind. So we're gonna come in, curving this out and up. And then we're just going to, again, curve that up to the top for those hind legs. And then now from here, we're just gonna draw in 2 curved lines coming into the center. And then stepping out again, curving that line in. And that is it. That's how you draw Pombon from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.